this is Stunts and Roses with Cyber Supply Drop, and today I'm going to go over showing you how to set up a proxy with FoxyProxy in Firefox so you can intercept requests with burpsuite. Alright, so I've connected to the room Pickle Rick over at TryHackMe to use for demonstrational purposes. The first thing we're going to do is come over here. We're going to type in burpsuite with an ampersand so that we can continue to use the terminal after we open it. It just takes a minute to load up. Okay. I'll update this a little bit later. We're going to start burp. Okay, so to find the proxy settings, we need to go to Proxy, then go to Options. And here we see the proxy listeners. We see that it's set at 127.0.0.1 on port 8080. Make sure that you have this box clicked. And then we're going to go over to our web browser here. Now, I've already navigated to the website, but we're going to go over here, open a new tab, and then click for add-ons and themes after clicking the little hamburger thing over here on the side. And then find more add-ons. I'm going to look for FoxyProxy. And here we have it. Go ahead and click on that and add it to Firefox. We will add this. Okay. So now you should see this little icon in the upper right hand corner. So we're going to click on that, hit Options, and then we're going to hit Add to Start. Now, as we recall, burpsuite, the interface is 127.0.0.1, which is your local host. So put that here, 127.0.0.1, and it's on port 8080. So let's put in port 8080 and then click Save. Okay. So now we should have this here. I mean, you can name it whatever you want. I'm going to put here burp, just to make sure that I know what it is. So there's our burp proxy and FoxyProxy. Going to go ahead and close these tabs here. So now, if we refresh this page, it loads. We come over here, we click on burp. And over here in the burp under proxy, we have intercept turned on. We should see an intercept of the web page now. So there you go. All right, well, there you have it. That's how you set up FoxyProxy in Firefox to use with burpsuite to intercept requests. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this helps you out and you have a good day. Thanks for watching.